From the Support Tickets tab, click any ticket number to open the full conversation view. Let's click into this ticket about a phone not registering after a power outage. The ticket link opens in a new tab showing the complete ticket detail page. The ticket detail page shows the full conversation between you and the support team. At the top, you can see the ticket number, subject line, status badge, and when it was opened. Below that, each message appears as a card in chronological order. Your messages are highlighted in a distinct color so you can easily tell them apart from staff responses. At the bottom of the ticket page is the reply form. Type your message in the text area and click Send Reply. Your reply goes directly to the support team, and the ticket status automatically updates to customer reply so they know you've responded. You can send up to 5 replies per hour on a single ticket. Each ticket has a status badge that updates automatically as the conversation progresses. Open means the ticket is new and waiting in the queue. Customer reply means you've responded and the team will follow up. Actively working means the team is handling your request. Waiting on customer means the support team has replied and needs your input. And closed means the issue has been resolved. For closed tickets, the reply form is replaced with a Reopen Ticket button. If you need further help on a resolved issue, just click Reopen and the ticket goes back to open status, so the support team picks it up again. You can always view the full conversation history on any ticket, whether it's open or closed. And that covers replying to and managing tickets in the Cloudspire CRM portal. You can view full conversation threads, send replies directly from the ticket page, track status changes as your request progresses, and reopen closed tickets if needed. That is all there is to it.